Hi, and welcome to today's practice. This is Maria, and today I want to share a practice with you to build strength and stability. Please remember to subscribe, to like, and to share so that you can help me grow my channel. Let's begin in a comfortable seated position. Feel free to have your shins crossed, to elevate your hips, to close your eyes or keep them open, just whatever feels comfortable. Begin to sway your torso from side to side, releasing tension, letting go of tightness in your back, your shoulders, just softening your body. And notice how that movements feel for your body today. And then when you're ready, begin to extend one arm out long and then the other arm out long, just letting yourself stretch out in all directions, moving in any way that feels good, maybe reaching the arms overhead, just stretching out as you move your torso. Maybe just finger painting the air with your hands, just letting yourself move in ways that feel good and natural for your body. Whatever that may be today, just explore movements. See what you can discover about movement. Maybe begin to take some circles with your torso, hands on your knees, letting your body release and soften in those circles. Notice how that feels for your back. Notice as you shift weight all around the hip area, rooting down into your feet a little bit. When you circle a few times one way, reverse that and begin to circle the other way. Once again, notice the movements and how they feel for your body today. When you feel pretty even on both sides, come back to your center. Once again, sway here gently side to side. Hands on your knees, bend forward at the hips, take it into a seated cow, and exhale as you press back into a seated cat. Inhale, arch through the back, opening through the front body, and exhale as you hug into the back of the heart, moving from one to the other. Inhale and exhale. Maybe the arms reach forward and up as you inhale, and then make fists. Press into the sitting bones. Let the knees float up. Inhale brings you forward and up, and exhale as you hug in. Inhale, reach forward, extend. Exhale, hug it in. Reach your arms up. Inhale, extend. Exhale, hug it in. Reach up, inhale. This time take a twist to the right side, not forcing the twist. Twisting from the mid-back, from the shoulder area, from the neck. Inhale, the arms float through center, and exhale, twist left. Once again, not forcing the twist. Inhale, the arms reach up. Grab onto your left wrist and pull towards the right side, stretching out. And then switch sides, doing the same thing, grabbing onto the right wrist, pulling left. Back to center, extend the arms up. And then bring the arms around, interlace your fingers behind you, open up through the shoulders, and begin to fold forward, folding and lifting, creating movements to warm up the body here with some functional movements, dynamic movements. Warm up the body much better than any static things that you can do, any static stretching. Make your way up to stand, however you like to get there, and come to the front of your mat. Bend your knees and softly rock side to side for a moment. Root down into your feet, bend the knees a lot, and then inhale, half forward fold, legs straight. Exhale, bend the knees and soften. Inhale, half forward fold, hands on shins, on the floor or on your thighs. Exhale, bend your knees, fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, fold and soften, press into the earth. And then step it back, downward facing dog. As you come to your down dog, make sure your feet are hip distance or wider, hands shoulder distance or wider. Lengthen the spine. You can keep the knees straight or bend the knees, maybe pedal out the feet, bending one knee and then the other a few times. Make sure you're lifting the heels off the ground. Bend your knees, take the knees to the right, turning the knees and feet to the right side. A little twist in your down dog, maybe a little bouncing here if it feels good. Keep your knees bent. Come back to center. Bend your knees and turn the knees and feet to your left side. Once again, maybe a little bit of bouncing here, but do keep the knees bent as you twist. Come back to center, bend your knees, press into the earth, Lengthen through the spine and wave your body long, coming forward into a high plank. And then send it back to your down dog. Bend your knees, push forward, high plank, waving the spine long. And then send it back to your down dog. Bend your knees, press into the earth, wave it forward, high plank. Send it back, down dog. Bend your knees, press into the earth, wave it forward, high plank. Send it back, down dog. Bend your knees, turn to the right side once again. This time, push forward, send the right arm up as you take a side plank. Bring the hand back down to the floor, push back into a down dog, bend your knees, turn the knees and feet to the left, push it forward, left arm reaches, side plank the other way. Bring the hand back down to the floor, back to your down dog, bend your knees, press into the earth, twist to the right, press forward, side plank, reaching that top arm up, hand to the floor, bend both knees back in your down dog, turn to the left, press it forward, reach up with that top arm. Engaging through the core here and rethink your core. Notice where you're activating. Bring the knees to the ground, come up into your table, hands shoulder distance or wider, and feel free to stretch out the wrists, maybe turning one palm in the opposite direction and then the other one just to give the wrist a counter stretch. So hands are about shoulder distance or wider if that feels comfortable. Knees about hip distance. Start to rock your hips forward and back a few times as you stretch out. And notice how that feels for your body. Extend the right leg back, toes are on the ground, and then lift the foot off the floor, send the left arm forward, so right leg back, left arm forward, and then bring it in, rounding the spine. Extend as you inhale, exhale as you hug in. Inhale, extend and reach, exhale to hug in. Inhale, reach, exhale, hug it in. Good. Inhale, reach, exhale, bring it in, reach, inhale, and bring the hand and knee to the ground. When you're ready, extend the left leg back, toes on the ground, then lift from the front of that hip. Send the right arm forward, extending. Exhale, begin to hug in, and inhale to extend. Gaze down at the mat to stay stable as you move. Inhale to extend. Exhale to hug in. Continue to move. Follow your own rhythm. You don't need to worry about how fast or slow I'm going. Focus on how you need to move today. Do about 5 of these, and when you're ready, bring it down. Tuck your toes under, send the hips all the way back. Lengthen through the spine, maybe a little rocking of your head side to side, and then make your way up into your down dog. Bend one knee and then the other. Once again, here, pedaling out your feet. Then bend both knees and wave forward, high plank. Lengthen, send it back, down dog. Bend your knees, push it forward, high plank. Send it back to your down dog. Bend your knees, push it forward, high plank. Send it back, down dog. Bend your knees, push it forward, high plank. And back to your down dog. Bend your knees, turn the knees and feet to the right, push forward, lift up, extending into that side plank. Bring the hand back down to the floor, back to your down dog, bend your knees, turn to the left, push it up, side plank, and come back to center. Bend your knees, turn to the right, push it forward, side plank, top arm reaches. Come back to center, bend your knees in your down dog, turn to the left, reaching up with that top arm, coming into that side plank once again. Bring your hand back down to the floor, bend both knees, push it forward, bring the knees to the ground, and come to sit. take a child's pose or any comfortable position that you feel you need to take right now, and let your body relax for a few breaths. Take a moment to feel sensation here, to notice how you feel, to notice the results of your practice. Maybe stretch out the wrist as you come up to sit. Give your wrist, forearms a little massage there because you did a lot of planks today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time with a brand new video. Please don't forget to share, to like, to subscribe, to comment any suggestions, anything you'd like to see on the channel. I will see you next time. Have a great day.